day sa aming klase. May dala si Kurot na isda. O, diba? Go, grow, glow. Ano? Parang elementary lang. Pero, let's see guys, kung paano namin papakainin ang aming patient.
Guarda con la mia tutte. Okay.
Okay, first I have 1 cup. It's like 27 ml. Now we have 3 ml. And I will make a record for the food or the waters that she drinks.
Okay. Keep her for 30 minutes.
Now done, Alexa, I think to you, if you need something or you want to make, you want to eat again, this is the bell and you can hold.
Thank you.
Okay. Done?
Hi guys, yan, nadal na naman namin ang class namin today. Ana, come this side. Hi. Ana, yan. Hi. And kasama ko si Ate Nene today. Nagano kami ng nutrition, pinakain ng aming pasyenteng si Alexa. And actually, exam pala yun. And na-surprise kami kasi hindi namin alam na may points bawat isa-isa na hindi mag-a-actual muna si Ma'am Sean. Kami talaga. Eh, ang inyong lingkod na si Alay ang nangunguna. Kaya, ngatal ang aking lahat-lahat sa akin. Kasi, una, hindi talaga ako ganun ka-aware. Starting nung nalaman kong i-explain, medyo kabado kahit na sabihin natin, pinag-aralan natin yan dati pa. Pero talagang, medyo na ako. Yan, pero nakaraos din naman na nagka-grace yan. O paano guys? See you ulit sa susunod.